Good day. So this is my AgriConnect website for POEPart2 for programming. I'm going to be reading through the rubric as well, and I'm going to take you through the whole website prototype. And I will be reading through the rubric just to show you that all the functionality works and everything. So basically, this the first thing that you come into is the login page. So said in class that we shouldn't have a register page for anyone, whether it's employee or farmers. So here's the login page, and either a farmer or employee can log in. So basically, obviously, I already have a bunch of data here because I've been testing it out. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my database first, and I'm gonna show you all the dummy data that I have for the employees and the farmers, and as well as all the products as well. So basically, this is all the information in my database script, and basically I'm gonna log in as an employee first just to show you how the employee side works. So I've been using Emma Thompson a lot, so I'm just gonna take a random generated password here, and I'm gonna come back to the application, and I'm gonna log in as Emma Thompson. So I'm gonna say Emma, I'm just gonna autofill it, Emma Thompson, and just to show you that there's authorization in the system, I'm just going to type in a random string of password, and you can see if I log in, it says invalid username or password. Same if I do actually put the password, and let's say I say Emma Tom, there's no Emma Tom in the database, so when I log in, it also says invalid username and password. So basically, I'm just going to say Emma Thompson, and I'm going to log in normally with the correct password, and I'm going to log in. So basically, we've logged into the employee side of the website and application. Obviously, if I was a farmer, I was going to go into a different view. So basically, now we're in the employee dashboard, and up here we have the home page, which is what we see now, the create farmer and the view products by farmer. So basically, the first thing in the rubric in part two is basically saying that data is stored in a database with substantial demonstration data pre-populated, which is what I showed you over here. Everything's been pre-populated as well, and as obviously you can see here, everything has been pre-populated. And the next thing is an employee or farmer must be logged into the website to see any data. So basically, the employee can log in to see all the farmers' data. So the employee Emma over here is seeing every employee data that has been logged in and has been created into the database. And so basically here, just sorry, yeah. Okay, the next functionality is after logging in, an employee can add a new farmer to the database. So basically, after logging in, the employee can add in a new farmer. So basically, this is the add farmer view of the website, and you can view products by farmer. You can view products by farmer and systematically filter through each category. So basically, what I'm going to show you first is I'm going to go back to the homepage. What I'm going to show you first is you can view the products for each farmer, which is also in the rubric, which is the functionality of after logging in, an employee can view a list of all the products a specific farmer supplies. So basically, we can go into any of the view products, and we can go here into James Smith, and James Smith ID, farmer ID is 2. Obviously, we got the first name, last name, username, and then the email as well. And as you can see, these are the products that the Jane, the farmer, has entered into the database. And if we go back, we can also view for each of the, we can view for Jamie Jones, you can view for all of them. Obviously, I'm not going to go through, so the video can just be shorter. I'm not going to go through every single farmer, but as you can see, if we go into Jenny Pillow has one product already, and she's farmer ID, and obviously it shows you the farmer details and as well as the products by the specific farmer. So basically, going to go back to the home page, and just to show you that it works one more time, I'm going to go into Olivia Garcia, and it shows that the farmer details as well as the products by Olivia, which is the farmer. So that's one functionality down. The next functionality is also, which is what I mentioned earlier. After logging in, an employee can add a new farmer to the database. So basically, if you go create farmer, and we had a farmer. So basically, I already tempered with this already because I was obviously testing it out. So we're gonna add a new farmer. So basically, that farmer's name is gonna be let's just think of a name. Just think of a name. Uh, um, a name. Rebecca. Rebecca. Rebecca Simon. That's gonna be a name. That's gonna be the new farmer. And the username, we're gonna say Rebecca Rebecca Farmer. So the username can have any string or number or anything really. Password, you can enter a password yourself, obviously, but if the farmer doesn't want the employee to know what their password is, we can randomly generate it with the random generator button here, and it shows and generates a random password. Obviously, if we remove it and we generate again, obviously it works as well. So this is going to be the generated password for Rebecca, and the email is just going to be Rebecca.simon at gmail.com. So basically, so that's the Gmail. So we've entered the name, surname, username, password, and Gmail for the new farmer. So we're going to add the farmer, and that's going to redirect us back into the home page. And obviously over here, we can see that Rebecca Simon has been added. Oh, I changed instead of Rebecca Simon for username, I said Rebecca Farmer, but that's fine as the username. And then Rebecca Simon at gmail.com. And if we view our products, you can see that Rebecca obviously has not entered anything yet, and our farmer ID is 17, and these are all the details. And obviously there's no products by Rebecca, so because she hasn't added anything. So we're going to go back to home, and that is one functionality down. Also, if we go back to our database as well, it also shows that she has been added as well. So if you just go back to farmers, select all from farmers, you can see that Rebecca is over here as well. I just made a mistake instead of saying Rebecca _ Simon, I said Rebecca Farmer, but it's fine. And this is a random generated password as well. So when we log in again, we're able to see. So I'm just going to copy that. We're able to then log in as Rebecca Farmer. So we're going to go back to the application. And the next thing is to view, the next functionality is to view products by farmer. So basically we're going to go products by farmer. Over here, we have a drop down menu of all the farmers. So we can actually search and filter by a specific farmer. Obviously you can see there's nothing down. This is all the way the scroll view can go. So basically it's always default by all farmers. So if we go search, it's going to search all the products by all the farmer IDs, all farmers. So these are all the products that all the farmers have actually entered into the database. So if we actually, and here there's a search feature has already been tampering with it. As you can see, all the farmers come here, but obviously if you have 1,000 farmers, you don't want to be scrolling through farmers, right? So basically over here you can search, let's say R, and obviously here you can see all the people who start with the R. Obviously we have Rebecca here. So if we keep on going E, so RE, Rebecca Farmer is the only one here. So if we search over here, obviously there are no products found by the selected farmer. But let's say if we want to search for Mia, because I know we have a Mia in the database, Mia Walker, and we search. So basically we have the two products that Mia has actually entered into the database. Okay, cool. So basically we can search by farmer. We can also search by start dates as well. So let's say we want to start search by the 22nd, and we search. It's gonna pop up a kind of a alert saying please select both start and end dates or leave them both empty. So we're gonna say okay, and now we're gonna choose end date. So we're gonna say the 28th, and obviously our farmers is selected by default. So now we're gonna search, and obviously these are all the filtered products that have been filtered from the I believe it was the 21st all the way to 28th. And then so that search feature works. Now we're gonna search by vegetable, which is the product type, and we're gonna search. So basically these are all the products that are categorized as vegetables, and we can do the same as fruits as well. And we're gonna search, and these are all the categorized products searched by a product type. And let's just enter a random thing like carbs, and we search. There are no products found but for the selected farmer. So basically there are no carbs product types in the database. Okay, cool. And now just to show you that everything can work simultaneously, we're just gonna go start date 15th, and we're gonna go 31st, and product type we're gonna say fruit. So basically now we just want to filter by Emily Davis, which is our farmer, by the start date, which is 05 or 15th of this year. Same with 05 31st of this year, and the product type is going to be fruit. So if we search, as you can see, the first thing that comes up is orange fruit, and it's filtered by the date as well. Just show you that Mia has other stuff in the database as well. We're just gonna quickly look at Mia and just search, and then Mia also has a vegetable as well, but obviously the fruit came up last time. So yeah, so basically that is the whole implementation of that's the whole implementation of the search feature. No products file. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's the whole implementation of the search feature, which that functionality is done, and that means we've done all the functionalities that's required for us in the POE for the employees. So we go back to our home. Obviously, we created a new new farmer over here. The interface is so smooth and so seamless that it's such a nice interface for anyone, whether or not they're tech savvy. The farmer is tech savvy, the employee is tech savvy. It's such a seamless, simple design that I feel like is so beautiful. Just the simple colors, the white and the blue, little hint around the whole application is so beautiful. And yeah, basically that's the whole employee dashboard, and that's all the employee side that is required for us in the data in the POE. So now there's a logout button over here for any employee. If they want to log out, they can log out and they come back again. Just show you that any employee can log in. I'm just gonna come back here, sorry, quickly. An employee, I'm gonna say Emma Thompson, Sophia, just gonna choose Ava Martin, I'm gonna choose Alex Moore. I'm gonna choose Alex Moore. Let's say Alex Moore. Gonna log in, and obviously any employee can log in and see all the details for this. So basically, we're gonna log out, and now we're gonna sign in as Rebecca Farmer or Rebecca Simon that we created. So basically, Rebecca Simon is over here, and her username is Rebecca Farmer, which I made a mistake on. But now we have a password here, which was randomly generated. So we're gonna say Rebecca Farmer. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Rebecca Farmer is over here. Obviously, if we enter any string or password, it's gonna say invalid username or password. But if we log in properly, we're gonna say, and that's the password. Obviously, she has no products here. So in the functionality of the POEPart2, it says that farmer can log in and view their own details and products that they've created. And now obviously we have a different dashboard for the farmer as well. So obviously we have your home, which is this page, and as well as create product. So basically we can create a product here. Let's just say we want to create a product. Let's say pawpaw, which is a fruit, and we're gonna categorize this as a fruit. Obviously I didn't make this a drop down menu because there's so many varieties of foods that a farmer can grow that I didn't want to categorize only to vegetable and fruit, so they can enter anything here as well. And product date, let's say we're just gonna select today, and we're gonna add product. It's gonna direct them back to the my products page where they can view the product that they just made. If we create new product, again we're just gonna say carrot. Let's just say carrot, and here we're just gonna carrot is a vegetable, and here we're gonna say it was made on the 28th, and we just add product, and obviously you can see carrot and pawpaw is here. If we go back to the database, we can see if we just say products and we select all from products, basically we can see that pawpaw was added, and fruit, carrot, vegetable, all with the same ID for for the farmer, Rebecca. Okay, so basically, and that's basically literally it, the whole functionality for farmer as well. So obviously we have our own dashboard. Farmers can create their own product and homepage as well. Just to show you that it works again, I'm just gonna log in as another farmer just one more time, and then we'll be done with the whole presentation. We're gonna come in as James Jones. So we're gonna say James Jones. I'm gonna log in as him, and we're gonna put the random generated password here. I'm gonna log in, and this is his own products here, cucumber and peach. So we're gonna create a new product, and let's just say we're gonna make it what's one potato, which I've already entered before. But potato here, and I'm gonna say category is a vegetable over here, and obviously production day we're just gonna say today, So today I'm going to add product, and you can see that potato has been added for him as well. And if we go back to the database, it will also be implemented as well. If I just select all from product again, here you can see that potato has been added for farmer ID, which is James Jones. So basically, and that's the whole implementation for the whole product and the AgriConnect website. So we have our home page, we have our create product page where they can create their own products, and we can log out. This is the login screen, and obviously for Emma Thompson as well. For employee side, we have the other separate dashboard as well for their homepage, create farmer, view products by farmer. Obviously, you can view products for a specific farmer as well with all their details and the products that they've made. Homepage. We can create a new farmer as well. We can generate a random password for that specific farmer that we want to create as well, and we can view products by farmer, depending on what the filter is, whether it's fruit, vegetable, and everything. Obviously, if you say vegetables, there's no products for it. If we say carbs, obviously there's no product for it as well. But if we say start date and date to 31st, search, and obviously there they are, and you can also filter by people as well. So okay, so basically that's the whole POE part 2 for AgriConnect, the website prototype. Again, just a seamless transition throughout the whole database to the website, as well as the making and the creating and the storing of everything, and just a seamless design throughout the whole website in terms of simplicity. For the color, the blue and the white, they just contrast together. Same with the login page, and everything is just smooth and just super efficient. And yeah, so basically this is the whole POE part 2 prototype for AgriConnect. And have a good day.